Top 5 Python libraries for web development. Django is a high-level web framework that simplifies complex tasks in web development. It comes with built-in features for authentication, database management, and more. Django's batteries included approach lets developers focus on unique features rather than reinventing the wheel. Flask is a micro-web framework known for its simplicity and flexibility. It offers essential components for building web applications, making it suitable for smaller projects. Developers can choose components based on project requirements, giving them more control. FastAPI combines the speed and simplicity of Flask with the type safety of Django. It generates interactive API documentation from Python type hints and supports asynchronous capabilities for responsive real-time applications. Bottle is an ultra-lightweight option for web development. Despite its minimal size and dependencies, it supports routing, templates, and more. It's ideal for small projects and prototyping due to its simplicity. Pyramid is a full-featured web framework that offers flexibility and scalability for projects of all sizes. It has a modular architecture and a wide range of features, making it suitable for both small and large applications. Developers can choose components that align with their project's needs.